Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade, so let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are not having any high impact news into the market today. And most of the news are medium impact news, so I'm not anticipating a much volatile move because of these news. So let's directly move to the charts. So this is the current monthly bias we are having into the market. That is, the price is sweeping the highs of the previous week, and currently we are into the same state. So, the major bias according to the monthly levels is bearish. So, let's see if the smaller time frame, that is weekly, is supporting the current move. So this is the weekly chart, and what we can see is that we are having this FVG, and the price is sweeping the high of the previous week and the previous high of the swing. So most likely this will be a strong high which the market shouldn't violate if we are going to move into the upside direction. So let's move to the smaller time frames and see if we are going to respect something over here, or we are having some kind of a drawn liquidity at this level. So let's move to the daily levels. So this is the daily chart, and what we have is that we are having this area that is unmitigated FVG into the market, but currently we had closed above this rejection zone, and then the price swept the high and moved into the downward direction. What is against our bearish trend is this candle over here, which had swept the previous day's low and then closed above it. So currently the bias is still not much clear because we seem to be in a zone that is this high and this low. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So what do we have in 4 hours is we are having this unmitigated wick of the daily, and we are having this unmitigated wick over here which had taken some kind of liquidity from this candle and then moved into the downward direction. But what is against our trend even at this range is this FVG was invalidated by the market, which we had anticipated yesterday, though the price exactly moved the way we had anticipated. But we have encountered a new FVG into the market, which the price had already respected. So now that if the price is going to move into the downward direction, most likely if we are going to close above this high, this will be a crucial high for us. If the price close above this high into the 4 hour, then most likely we are going to continue our trend into the upside direction. Else we are going to follow a downward direction most likely, and then mitigate the higher time frame, that is daily's FVG, because now nothing is unmitigated in this leg. So let's move to the dailies now to see a clear, let's move to the 1 hours to see a clear bias. So now this is the 1 hour chart, and what do we have in confluences? We are having this unmitigated candle which had taken some kind of liquidity over here. So this will be our invalidation point, that is the high of this candle, and I'll be anticipating that the price can possibly take the Asia high and then move into the downward direction. And maybe this level will be one of the levels which can hold the price to move into the upside direction. But if this level is unmitigated by if this level is invalidated by the market, most likely we are going to move into the downward direction towards the higher time frame POI, that is daily FVG. So let's move to the 15-minute for the trade plan for today. Now this is the 15-minute chart, and what we can see is that the price is taking the Asia, New York high into the Asia. So most likely, if we are going to take the Asia high into London and then move into the downward direction, that will be the best scenario for us, and maybe this will become the Asia, days high, and then the price will move into the downward direction further. So, and if that doesn't happen, most likely we are going to invalidate this invalidation point of a higher time frame and then probably sweep or close above it. That will be decisional if we are going to sweep or close. But currently we are having this trade plan that if the price is going to take the Asia high into the London session and we are going to move into the downward direction, breaking some kind of a strong low, then probably we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction. So, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.